You know the feeling. You just bought that massive new 100 GB game. You put your PS5 into rest mode before you go to sleep, thinking you'll wake up and jump straight into the action. But the next morning, you turn it on and the download bar hasn't moved an inch. It stopped the second the console turned off. It's frustrating, it's a waste of time, and honestly, the PS5 settings menu doesn't make it obvious why this happens. I'm Anna from For Real, and today I'm showing you the two-step process to fix this. Most people do step 2, but they completely miss step 1, which is why your downloads are failing. Let's get your console set up the right way. Alright, let's jump onto the dashboard. This first step is the one everyone forgets, and it is the literal on switch for your internet while the console sleeps. Go to your settings menu. That's the little gear icon top right. Now, instead of going to saved data like you might think, I want you to go down to System. From here, navigate to Power Saving, and then click on Features Available in Rest Mode. Look at this option here. Stay connected to the internet. If this is toggled off, your PS5 basically cuts the cord the moment the screen goes black. It doesn't matter what other settings you change. If this is off, no data is moving. Toggle this on. Now your console can sip power while still talking to the servers. But we aren't done yet. Now we have to tell the system what to do with that connection. Now that we have a connection, let's authorize the downloads. Go back to the main settings menu. Scroll down to saved data and game/app settings. On the left sidebar, find automatic updates. You'll see two main options here: auto download and auto install in rest mode. You want both of these turned on. Here is the pro tip difference between them. Auto download pulls the update file from the server. Auto install actually applies it so the game is ready to play. If you only have download on, you might wake up to a ready to install button, which still makes you wait. Turn them both on to be safe. Quick pause. If this just saved you a headache for your next game launch, hit that like button. It helps us out a ton. So you've got the settings fixed. But did you know downloading in rest mode is actually better for your console than downloading while it's on? When your PS5 is fully powered on, it's reserving bandwidth for gaming, voice chat, and the OS. It's also generating heat. When you use rest mode, the system suspends most background processes. It dedicates almost all available resources to writing that data to your SSD. While Sony doesn't give official numbers, tests show that rest mode downloads can be significantly more stable, especially if you have slower internet. Plus, it keeps the hardware cooler during those massive 100 GB Call of Duty updates. Okay, here is the ultimate power move that justifies doing all this setup. Because you enabled Stay Connected to the Internet in Step 1, you have unlocked remote downloads. Picture this. You're at work or school, and you hear a new game just dropped or a patch is live. You don't have to wait until you get home. If you've done all this and it's still not working, check two things. 1. Is your storage full? Rest mode won't delete old games to make room for new ones automatically. And 2. Did the power go out? If the PS5 wasn't shut down properly, it sometimes refuses to enter rest mode safely until you reboot it. Now that your downloads are sorted, you might want to know how to speed up that internet connection itself. I've got a guide right here on changing your DNS settings to get faster speeds on PS5. Check that out next. Thanks for watching For Real. I'm Anna. Hit subscribe for more no-nonsense tech guides, and I'll see you in the next one.